Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through a legal method to enjoy Spotify Premium for free forever in 2025. Follow these simple steps to unlock all the amazing features of Spotify Premium without any costs. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Spotify account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Spotify website or download the app. Choose the option to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. Step 2. Take advantage of free trials. Spotify frequently offers free trials for its premium service. Check if you're eligible for a free trial by visiting the Spotify Premium page and clicking on Start My Free Trial. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information, but remember, you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 3. Utilize student discounts. If you're a student, you might qualify for a discounted rate or even a more extended trial period. Confirm your student status through a verification service that Spotify uses, like ShareID. This could provide you with access to Spotify Premium at a significantly reduced price or even for free under certain promotional offers. Step 4. Refer Friends program. Encourage your friends to sign up for Spotify using your referral link. If they create a new account and opt for premium, both you and your friend may receive rewards, such as extra months of premium access at no cost. Step 5. Participate in promotions. Keep an eye out for promotions where Spotify partners with brands or companies. These promotions sometimes offer free premium subscriptions for a limited time when you purchase specific products or services. Step 6. Use Spotify Family or Duo plan. If you have family or friends who already subscribe to Spotify Premium, ask them to include you in their family or Duo plan. This option allows multiple users to enjoy premium benefits at a lower overall cost. Often, it saves money and can provide significant discounts compared to individual plans. Step 7. Stay informed about new offers. Follow Spotify on social media and subscribe to their newsletter to stay updated on any new promotions or offers. Being informed can help you take advantage of free trials and special deals as soon as they're available. Tips for maximizing your Spotify experience. Download your favorite playlists or albums for offline listening. Explore curated playlists and personalized recommendations to discover new music that fits your taste. Make use of the collaborative playlist feature to create and share playlists with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support keeps us motivated to create more content like this. Thank you for watching.